Now then, how are we all doing? Hope you're all happy and well. Today I'm back out on a dig. It's been 2 weeks now. Had a few things to do in house, plus weather wasn't too good, so I didn't bother coming out. So this weekend, weather's, what can I say, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I'm out on another dig. This time I've been thinking about going back to a spot where there's a lot of 1940s. Right, first find. I've only just started digging. It wasn't too far from the surface. It's a little vial. Still got a little something in it, I think. Might be cork. Right, just that little hole there just took a lot out of me, that. But we have something there, which is a broken item. We've got a bottle here, sauce bottle with a bit of label still on it. Tomato ketchup. Right, we also have a bottle here. It looks to be a screw top, so we're on surface really. So I'm going to try and go a bit deeper, see if I can get some older stuff. Like I say, on this part there's a lot of 1940s stuff on here. Right, we're getting there slowly but surely. We've got a little bit of milk glass there, slightly melted. We've also got a bit of milk glass there. Looks like a Pond's jar maybe. Let's have a look. Yep, Pond's jar. Right, we've come across a nice little salt or pepper pot. Obviously no lid to it. Normally they were porcelain back in the day. Right, we have a nice big jar in soil. Let's see if it's all intact. Oh, it's thick glass, really thick glass. Now that's a beauty. Look at that. It's a shame it's got no on it. Alright, it's got a crack there. But, oh well. But it would have been a nice little keeper, that. But unfortunately, bit of a crack there, so I won't be taking that. Right guys, gutted about this. I have got one of these at home. It has got a slight crack in it, the one that I've got at home. But we're on the right track. 1942. And I do believe these were cups for the army. You know, the NAAFI used to serve coffee and stuff to soldiers using these cups. I have got one intact at home, but with a slight crack in it. But this is 1942. What a shame. But we're on the right track. We've also got a bottle here. If I can get it out. It's stuck in very... Come on, out you come. Come on, come to me. What we got? It's a milk. A 1940s milk. Craven Dairies. They are quite nice, these. We've got a nice big decorative shield on front, if you can just see it. I have dug a few of them in past. Cushy. Right, next find is a jar. This has a pretty decent label on front. Blackberry. Right, we have something here, and it looks to be broke. To be honest, in this area, I'm not having much luck. Everything that seems to be interesting all seems to be broke. Right, first Bovrils popped out. I'm going to say early 50s. Yep, definitely early 50s. Could be late 40s, but I'm going to say 50s. 4 ounce. Right, we have a bottle, one's broke, and that is a Craven Dairies milk. This one is intact. Oh no, it's not intact, but once again we have a broken one. It's a shame as well. Nice thick glass, vulcanite stopper, Chapman's, Leeds, gutted. Oh well, what can you do? That's bottle digging for you. Right, another milk, little half pint milk has popped out. Co-op Dairies, Leeds. Well, look what we have here. Now, wouldn't that have been a corker? Look at that. Well guys, the looks of it, I've come across something a little interesting. It's a lovely little shape. I'm hoping it's not going to cracks in it or out. It's probably the most interesting find that I've found today. But that there is a beautiful little bottle of some sort. Oh yes. Let me clean that up. Well, what can I say? Another Craven Dairies with shield on it, if you can just see it. They are nice, especially when they're intact. But I have got a few of them at home, so I believe in that. Well, we have a Fletcher's Titbits sauce. Label's not too bad on it. Right guys, it looks like I've come across a piece of an old toilet. Copper, made out of copper. Right, I found a direct supply, Finterman's direct supply stopper, which I'm really glad about that, because I could do with one of them to go in one of my bottles. I had two of these bottles, and one's got a stopper and one hasn't got a stopper. So now they've both got stoppers. Excellent, absolutely fantastic. You can see nice little Alsatian on top there. Right, a bottle intact's come out. A Raymond and Branson Limited, Leeds. 40s, 50s, I'd say. Unfortunately, even though it does say Leeds on it, I'm going to leave that here. Tend to be wanting to take stuff a little bit older than that. Right, another Bovril's popped out. This time an 8 ounce, a 1940s Bovril. Looks intact, so I'll be taking that home. Nice big Bovril, excellent. Right, this has just fallen out. It's the first time I've seen one of these, even though it is a screw top. It has got a little bit of decoration to it. Right, hopefully his looks are changing. We have a big bottle there. Just nearly put my spade through it like, but you know. And we've also got a bulb. God knows how they survive. Let's see what this bottle is. Let's get it out. Come on. Please be intact. And it's intact. Unfortunately, I think it's plain. It's just a plain green one. Wooden cork. Yeah, plain green one, unfortunately. Oh well. Moving on, eh? Nice green though. Right, I've come across a little bit of a red layer. As you can see, I've come across this. I've not really seen one of these before either. It says on it, fill to this line. So I'm presuming that little line there. Not sure what that'd be for, but it doesn't look like a bad little bottle. Right guys, we've come across a marmalade jar, intact. Well, little chip there. But yeah, they used to use these for dripping after that, to put dripping in. But yeah, we've had a few tins and that, rusty tins, a melted bottle. So yeah, but it's definitely a warm one today. I feel like a roast chicken in an oven. Woo! Right, just shoveling away, and another one's popped out. So now we have a set. Note underneath them like, but both intact. Bottle, I've got a feeling it's a little bit melted though, a little bit warped. We have a GL Greenwood and Co Limited, Keithley, probably a disinfectant. Right, we have a plain one, it's an old one, a little bit of a label there, but not much to go on. It is a nice aqua colour, some really fine bubbles in there. There's a fly near me. Yep, so we're getting there. There's a few plain ones, but let's see where we get. Oh, guys, I've just pulled the root out. There's that there, don't know what that is yet, but I think today's been saved by a poison. I'm really hoping it's intact. Oh, buzzing, probably 1920s. Oh, look at that. Today has been a hard day for finds, but look at that. It's been saved by a not to be taken poison bottle, one that I haven't got. Buzzing. Look at that. Yes, absolutely fantastic. Well over the moon. Lysol London Limited. Lysol Limited London. Buzzing. Look at that. Nice little crest on front there. Definitely a keeper. Oh yes, buzzing. Now let's see what this one is. Oh. And we've got another marmalade jar. But this bottle here has saved the day. Excellent. Right guys, I've pulled out a pretty interesting cup. It is broke, but it's got something on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but I'm going to reveal what's on it. And if it's out to do with leads, I might just keep that anyway. But let's see what's on it. Wow, look at that. It's a drawing of a building, some sort of building. Makes me wonder where that is. Let's see on the other side. Morley Town Centre, isn't it? Wow, that is pretty bust up, but I am thinking of actually keeping that. I'm going to clean it up as much as I can without breaking it. It's got a big crack down there, handle's missing, big chip there. Right guys, that's me done for today. I'm going to get home, get cleaned up. Started off a bit slow today with finds, so I wasn't finding out really special. And then this one come along, saved me dig really. I'm well chuffed with that. I've seen a few other diggers dig these. They're probably a little bit common, but you know, I do like them. So yeah, buzzing with that. So yeah, I'm going to say peace out, and I'll see you at next dig. Take care.